Yo, what's up, YouTube? This is Cuss over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. Okay, so today I'm doing a video, and this video is for my boy Infamous. Okay, and y'all can find him on YouTube. He is an artist. He does all type of music, mostly hip hop, but he does a little bit of everything, R&B and everything. So y'all check him out on Instagram. Y'all check him out on YouTube. His name is Infamous, but instead of using the A, you use the @ sign. Shout out to Barber Illuminati. I want you guys to go ahead and hit like. I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I want you guys to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And then I want you guys to share this video, okay? Anything to support this channel, I really appreciate it. Shout out to Betty Boots over there in the comment section of this video. I see you. Shout out to everybody that's supporting the movement. Barber Illuminati. Shout out to everybody that's supporting Custom Made Cuts, Custom Made Barbershop. Shout out to everybody online that's giving us any kind of love, support, comments, or anything. Okay, so if you guys want to be part of the movement, go ahead and contribute to the movement. Okay, and when you do, hit like, subscribe, and share. It's not about likes and subscriptions. All it's about is helping other people. So the more you like this channel, the more exposure this channel gets to more people that's looking for help on these techniques, okay? I remember when I started off in my career, there was a lot of things that I just didn't understand as far as fading and getting out that bottom line and different techniques and what clippers and trimmers to use and stuff like that. So these videos are really educational. They really help people starting out in their career. So if you want to contribute to this channel, man, I appreciate it. And whatever you can do to support this channel, I appreciate it as well. So, and all you're doing is helping somebody else when you contribute by liking or subscribing or sharing, okay? So, I'm balding out the bottom of this haircut right now with my Baby Bliss shavers. And these are battery operated shavers. It takes 2 AA batteries, and this is a really good shaver, y'all. I really like this shaver. I actually like it better than the Andy shaver, but that's just based off my experience for now. Sometimes your opinion can change with different products, but as of right now, this is my go-to. Okay, so anyways, Infamous, my Puerto Rican client right here, came in and told me that he wanted a 2 at the top, and he wanted to bald the sides out and kind of fade it up. So I told him we might can make that happen, just as long as he was willing. I'm willing. Okay, so he sat down, got in my chair, we got him cleaned up, and here we are now. We're fading his hair right now. So this is me with a 2 on top. I just balled out the bottom, as you can see. So I'm going up with the 2 guard right now, just trying to get everything leveled at a number 2 on top. And then when I start my fade, what I'll do is I'll come back with my Wahl Senior open all the way, no guard, and I'll fade up about 1 inch, and then close the lever and fade down about half an inch. Okay, so I'll go from the 2 guard to no guard, opened all the way, and fading up about 1 inch. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. As you can see, I'm only going up about 1 inch. When I get through with this step right here, I'm gonna close the lever and fade right below that. Okay, really simple, straight to the point, easy haircut tutorial. Anyone can do this. I also want you guys to go ahead and comment below and let me know what kind of clippers or trimmers you guys are using. It could be home clippers, it could be professional grade clippers, it could be cordless clippers, it could be Andy's clippers, it could be Wahl, it could be Oster, any brand of clippers. Just post it, let us know, let me know what kind of clippers you guys are using, and hopefully I'll probably be able to drop a video using your clipper or trimmer, and that'll probably make things a little more interesting on this channel. Okay, so even if you're a mom at home and you're just trying to cut your kid's hair or your husband's hair, just post what kind of clippers you're using, and like I said, I could probably bring some add some videos with your clipper or trimmer Okay, so just went ahead and used the senior close. Now I jump from a senior close to the one guard open all the way, and I'm fading up another inch. Those of you that have been watching my video that understand my fade technique and my process, you know after this step right here, what we'll be doing is closing the lever all the way, and then once we close that lever all the way, we'll go back down to the half guard, okay, and then fade right below that. So that's how we'll start to get a little bit of transition on this fade. And then from the half guard open and close, I'm gonna go up to about a 1.5. When I do that 1.5 open then close, I'll come back down to a one guard and go over my work, do some detail work, clean it up with a tight edge up, line up, and I'll show you guys my final product. Those of you that have any questions with this haircut, you can go ahead and leave a question down in the comment. I'll get back with you. I've been getting some really good feedback lately with these questions and stuff, so if you guys got any questions, any feedback, any concerns, go ahead and hit me up at the bottom of this video, or you can hit me up on Instagram or Facebook asking me whatever question you want. So this is it, okay? So you guys watch the rest of this video, listen to the music, let me know what you guys think. Shout out to Barber Illuminati, like I said. I'll see y'all soon. Peace.
Trump dummy. Trump dummy.